Mary Hughes, Welsh Language Commissioner.
Sarah Rockera, the Older People's Commissioner for Wales.
Hugh Thomas, Auditor General for Wales.
Hello, my name is Keith Towler. I'm the Children's Commissioner for Wales, and the Wales I want is a Wales where children and young people feel happy, safe, trusted and citizens of this community.
The Wales I want to see is a Wales which is identified by people knowing their identity, knowing their rights and being confident of that identity and their rights. That's the Wales which will surge forward in the future rather than stare at its feet perpetually.
Well, so many things I'd like, but I guess perhaps above all, as Older People's Commissioner, I'd like to see a Wales in which we truly value our older people, in which we understand that they're a huge asset. Their knowledge and their experience is something we should be drawing on. We should be valuing our older people, respecting our older people, and seeing them for the backbone of our country that they are.
The Wales I want is a Wales which has the opportunity for people to stay, live, work and develop their career within Wales.